It's no good. Don't eat it. Okay, you want to try?
Yes, please. I want to try the fresh herbs.
That's the only reason to try.
Yummy. Get in my belly.
Oh yeah.
Mm. Oh yeah, that smells so good.
Hey, this is John with the Utopia Experience. So we're back today with another food video. We're up here today in my herb garden, so I'm going to be actually showing you how to make a caprese salad with our vegan mozzarella that we made the other day. If you haven't seen the video on the vegan mozzarella, we'll leave a link in the description below. Super easy recipe, and it goes amazing with this caprese salad. So the reason we're up here on the herb garden is that we're going to pick up some rosemary and some basil. So you can pick some fresh rosemary here. Nothing better than fresh herbs, I tell you. Especially growing here in the jungle. Actually, right now, if you guys could smell this, it smells like turmeric. I just got done harvesting a whole bunch of turmeric a few minutes ago. So these here are our turmeric plants. So that's pretty cool. Another amazing herb. So, all right. So we got our we have our rosemary. We'll head down now. And we're going to get our basil. So this is a purple leafed basil. It's really nice. It actually has a really potent flavor, but it's really nice. And it's really pretty as well. All right. I think that'll probably be enough for what we're doing today. Perfect. So we'll see you in the kitchen. Caprese salad. All right, so we've got our herbs, we've got our vegan mozzarella, we've got our tomatoes. So now we just have to put it together. It's really easy. So we'll go ahead and just slice up our tomatoes. I personally like them kind of thin. You might like them thick. I mean, to each their own. You say tomato, I say tomato. You know the story. So basically, and with this vegan mozzarella, when I make it, I usually freeze it. I normally, I didn't say that in the video, on the mozzarella video, but it will last indefinitely, well, a long time in the freezer. I just pull it out when I need it. So, like I said. All right, just to give you an idea. That smells so good. I love the smell of that fresh cut rosemary. And basil. Pretty much any herb. Alright. So, really simple. Basically, I just use balsamic vinegar, just a little bit, just a drizzle. outs. You can use olive oil. I personally like avocado oil, but you can use really anything that you like. So today we're using avocado oil, but olive oil is also really good. A little bit of sea salt. Some fresh chopped basil and rosemary. And you have an incredible vegan dish. It's amazing. It's a great snack, super fast, super easy. I think I have some toast on the skillet back here. Perfect. There you have it. Vegan Caprese salad, and I don't know, was that 3-4 minutes, something like that? But really easy, really amazing, and really good. So hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give us a like, follow our page if you want to see more recipes like this, and please leave a comment below if you have any ideas for other recipes. Have a great day. That's good.
That's it.